Have you ever felt overwhelmed juggling notebooks, tablets, and notes scattered across apps and sticky notes? You're not alone. That's exactly why the AiPaper Carta 1300 AI e-ink tablet bundle exists, to bring calm to your digital chaos. Today, we're diving into how this ultra-lightweight, AI-powered paper-like tablet might be the only notepad you'll ever need again. Let's talk about the screen, where all the magic happens. With 300 pixels per inch and a 2560 by 1920 resolution, the display is sharp, anti-glare, and easy on the eyes. Whether you're reading for hours or sketching under sunlight, this display stays clear, calm, and easy to use. It's like having a high-end reading experience right at your fingertips. Writing on the AiPaper feels natural, like your favorite notebook got an upgrade. With a pen-to-ink distance of just 750 microns, the stylus glides with barely any lag. It doesn't feel like digital scribbling. It feels like real ink on real paper. This seamless writing experience makes it perfect for jotting down ideas or sketching out plans. Inside, the octa-core MT8788 processor handles everything from multi-page PDF annotations to quick app switching with zero lag. And thanks to the energy-efficient e-ink display, you'll enjoy weeks of use on a single charge. This means more time focusing on your work and less time worrying about battery life. Reading with the AiPaper feels almost indulgent. The 300 pixels per inch clarity is perfect for long-form documents, textbooks, or casual ebooks. And with no backlight, you avoid eye strain, even during marathon study sessions. Visuals like side-by-side comparisons of the tablet versus an LCD screen highlight its superior PDF markup, ebook library, and annotation tools. Here's where AiPaper really shines. AI-enhanced note organization, summaries, and voice-to-text. Whether you're capturing a lecture or cleaning up a brainstorm, the AI streamlines your flow. It's like having a personal assistant that never gets tired. This feature ensures that your notes are always organized and accessible when you need them. No monthly fees, no cloud subscriptions, just 128 gigabytes of local storage, enough for 20,000 books or over 2 million pages of notes. That's freedom in a digital world full of paywalls. Need to share notes or collaborate on projects? The AiPaper gives you multiple options: QR code scanning, Bluetooth, email, and Vi-Transfer app. Your ideas move quickly and securely, just like they should. Whether you're sketching, planning, or writing your next novel, this tablet is your canvas. Customize page layouts, create layered drawings, and organize notebooks by subject or project. It adapts to you, offering a personalized experience that caters to your creative needs. The AiPaper Carta 1300 is designed to inspire and support your creative journey. You're not just getting a tablet. Inside the box, you'll find the AiPaper Carta 1300 tablet, a beautiful PU leather cover, a Gen 2.5 EMR stylus, 11 stylus tips, a charging cable, and that feeling of, where has this been all my life? It's a complete package designed to enhance your digital experience. The AiPaper Carta 1300 isn't just an e-ink tablet. It's a complete reimagining of how we write, read, and think. It's the clarity of pen and paper, the power of AI, and the elegance of simplicity, all rolled into one sleek device. No distractions, no gimmicks, just you, your thoughts, and endless digital pages ready to be filled.